Hey guys, how to remove text from any photo on iPhone. No apps needed. You can remove text cleanly using built-in tools. Method A, using the Photos app. Simple as it. Just open Photos, okay, and select the photo right here, right? And you're gonna hit Edit. Tap the three bars right here at the top, right? If you don't find the edit, just go ahead and hit the next to the heart eye. You're gonna see like a editing thing. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit it. Right? You can use crop, erase, or filters to hide or remove the text. Okay. Crop works if the text is near the edge. Okay. Basically, that's it. Method B, you can use the markup removing tool. Right, stay on the crop. Okay, you can hit the pencil right here at the top, right? And you can just scratch whatever part of the photo that you don't want. Okay, so blend over the text. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.